Sisters, preparing for Umrah can be exciting, but also a little overwhelming.
That's why Mom Savers Umrah Essentials is here to guide you every step of the way. We've created a free, ready-to-use packing checklist, curated just for Muslimah pilgrims.
From travel-friendly skincare to modest garments, every item is thoughtfully selected. Pack with ease and travel with comfort and confidence. Our step-by-step guide ensures nothing important is left behind. Simply download the checklist, print or save it on your phone, and start packing stress-free.
Looking for a ready-made solution? Explore our curated Muslimah kits, designed for convenience.
Join hundreds of sisters who've simplified their Umrah prep with Mom Savers Essentials.
Download your free Umrah packing checklist today and start your journey prepared. Mom Savers Umrah Essentials, your trusted companion for a smooth, stress-free journey.